Hi guys, I'm going to move my camera over just a little bit so you can actually see me. I'm going to be explaining real quick how to read the degree sheets. Over here on the left hand side of that resources and forms, you're going to find every degree sheet that's offered. So we want to go, this is just the ones from the College of Ed, by the way. If you are looking for something else, I'll put that link underneath the video. So let's just look at the elementary ed worksheet because it's the easiest to understand. Over here on the left hand side is your general education requirements. Okay? All of these things, such as the physics 121, psych 121, physics 100, things that are specifically mentioned are prerequisite courses. These are courses that while you may take something else, these are the ones that we absolutely want. Notice that you've got a box down here that you must take Music 241, Music 239, or Art 200. Music 239 and Art 200 are both in your Associate of Arts in Teaching. They are in the lower section under Fine Arts, and you can take either one. It is preferred Art 200 typically, only because it's the most available course. Music 239 is available. It makes, sometimes it doesn't make. It's a semester by semester case. So History 121 or 122, I'm going to zoom that in so you guys can see it a little bit better. Notice Geography 100. Now on this degree sheet, this is the bachelor's degree sheet, we have public issues. In your West Plains Associate of Arts in Teaching, you have EDU-150 listed here. It is essentially the same class as this, but it doesn't transfer the same. Also, this transfers as your CIS. It's a whole mess of things in here. You get this qualified through these things. It's worked in, but it's not the same as your associate's degree. So again, your Art 200, History, PLS, Geography 100. In the humanities, along with these English courses, we have the option of Children's Lit in West Plains. English 234. Notice that English 234 is also transfers as English 334 in your bachelor's degree requirements. This is done so that we have minimal credit hours. You can take any of these. Social 150, Geography 108, Anthropology 125 are all great courses. They don't specifically do anything for you, but those are the courses that tend to make understanding later curriculum easier. Notice English 210 and English 110. 210 we really prefer because it does so much in the APA realm, and APA is the preferred citation for education. Notice over here we've got Geography 240. For West Plains you can take Geography 142. Math 320 is actually your Math 220, which is in your Associate of Arts. So if you're not going the elementary ed, let me get back here for an example. Let's say you're going to secondary education. This is not the one I wanted. Let's go middle school social studies. Middle school social studies, you'll see, does not require Math 220 or Math 320 as it transfers. but it does require both U.S. histories. It also requires History 103, 104, and ECO-155. These are all must-takes that are available during your Associates of Arts. So if you take ECO-155 here and History 103 here in your Associate of Arts, instead of the Children's Lit, instead of Sociology, we're going to be just fine. But then you don't need your Math 220. So we can substitute the other world history or the other U.S. history for that Math 220 in your Associate of Arts. This is done through your advisor. So your advisor must ask for an exception to the degree, and that is approved by the department chair. It's all a process. It takes about a week to get it done. But you notice there's Psych 360, which is your EDU 260, EDC 150, which is our EDU 150, SEC 302, which is your EDU 202, and then you have your teaching methods. So again, your Associate of Arts has essentially the same courses. Notice English 210, 110, Bio and Physics. And we can move on from there. If you have any questions, I just wanted to cover that really quickly because it's rather confusing. Thanks, guys.